direct again. Got another C8. About to install the lambo doors on this C8. We're gonna do a little something different, but hopefully y'all like it. Let us know. Hit the like button if you like. Subscribe. Follow us. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the wheels, and after that I'm gonna tape up the vehicle just so we can avoid from any scratches or anything like that. And then I'm gonna start taking off the panels and then getting it ready so I can install the kit on the car. I just got the fender off, kit, and I got the door panel off as well. I gotta mess with the wiring, make sure I extend that as well, and then test everything, make sure it fits right. That's what we do around here at lambo-direct.com. Once I got the kit on the car, I like to make sure everything is aligned. I got to do a couple adjustments, tighten everything pretty well, and that's on both sides. Just got to make sure everything is sits properly. I ended up cutting the inside of the fender. The reason why is so the kit can fit, because the kit pretty much pokes out, but I cut so many that it's like butter to me. You gotta make sure you have a steady hand. I like to mark everything and make sure it's perfection. Next step is I gotta check that everything is aligned, make sure I adjust everything correctly, make sure it's perfect. So what I'm doing right now is pretty much torquing everything down so everything can be nice and tight. Guys, we got a happy customer and he likes it a lot.